and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you 2 ways that you can make rice and chicken inside of your Instant Pot. So the first method, you cook the rice and chicken together, and the second method is something called pot and pot cooking, where you literally put a pot inside of a pot. For the second method, you'll need something called a trivet. This is what it looks like, and you'll also need a container that can safely go inside of your Instant Pot. I used an oven-safe container that I had lying around in my house. However, another alternative is a silicone container. So cooking chicken and rice in your Instant Pot can be a little tricky sometimes, as if you add not enough liquid, you'll get the burn notice, and if you add too much liquid, your rice will come out soggy. So that's why I have 2 methods of doing this. For the first method, you'll see that I layer onions on the bottom of my Instant Pot. That helps create a barrier between the rest of the ingredients and the liner. And then the second method, with pot and pot, you can make sure that the rice is cooked separately and doesn't burn to the bottom of the pot as well. But don't worry, let's get started and you'll see what I mean. So this is my spicy chicken and rice. Layer in 1 onion chopped roughly, 3 to 4 chicken breasts. Season with 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon chili, and 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Then add in 500 milliliters of salsa. Then layer on top 1 cup of long grain white rice. Then on top, add in 1 1/3 cups of water or broth. Do not mix. Cook under pressure for 9 minutes before quick releasing. Remove your chicken breast to cut, and in the pot add in 1 cup of corn and 1 can of black beans. Mix to combine. Next up, we got kung pao chicken with rice. Add in half of a red onion roughly chopped, 1 red bell pepper also roughly chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, and then 4 chicken breasts diced up. Then add in 7 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then a 1/3 cup of water or broth. Then place your trivet in. Add in 1 cup of rice in an Instant Pot safe container with 1 cup of water inside of the rice. Cook under pressure for 4 minutes before letting it natural pressure release for 10. Then quick release and remove your rice to fluff and remove your trivet. Then add in a cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce. Give everything a stir and use the saute mode if necessary. And that's how you make chicken and rice 2 ways inside of your Instant Pot. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in a comment or on my social media. And just a reminder, if you're looking for the printable version of these recipes, you can find them linked down below in my description box. If you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for more new videos weekly. Until next time, bye!